Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 17th of November 2022, and guess what? Here we are to discuss again on the post-market reports on United States dollars to Indian rupees, Euro INR, Bank Nifty, Nifty and November future. Only we are talking this. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the education purpose. Alright, thank you so much. Chalo, let's get started now. Cool. So USDINR has the daily time frame is going like this. The market opened at approximately 12 a.m. in the night itself at 81.4533. It has touched a quick high at once again, yeah, it has touched a high of 81.6994, while the 6994 you can say, and then right now it's trading at 81.61 kind of stuff. It's like 0.4% up. Okay, if we also further an extra perks, if we see the European markets is 1% down. Oh sorry, yeah, so it's 0.2% up. FTX is 0.5% down, CAC is 0.4% down, STOXX 50 is 0.77 is down. Okay, coming with the Euro INR is slightly stable. Okay, if we come back on a 1 minute time frame and in a daily time frame, the market of the Euro INR is trading in red because it has been going to the bottom. The market seems to be going to the bottom, and yesterday the United States markets was completely sideways. Dow was sideways. Yeah, so if you want to even have a look, you can have a look. Dow is sideways, S&P sideways, Nasdaq sideways, like 2%, nothing much. It doesn't matter. The VIX is just like 1.418% down. All right, and then Euro INR is going in this form, so cannot just like say like that what exactly is happening. Even if you see at the crypto market one second. Okay, cool. Futures, and then crypto market is also like 0.8%, 0.73% down. Future market is also down. Okay, yeah, you can see the future market is as well as down. All right, now let's go back to the Nifty and November future, and the Nifty previous closing is at 18,451. The today's opening was at for 18,400, while the low was at 18,356. The high was at 18,473 only. Okay, if we come back over here and we can see on the 3 minutes time frame, the market had opened approximately over here. If we can see 17, it is the market opened gap down, and the market opened over here, went up, then went down, and then clearly made a first candle itself is green. Okay, one second. Okay, I just tracked it a little. I don't know why it moved like that. So the market opened around here, went down, and then quickly made up, and from the bottom at 18,400 it went up until 18,500. It touched the pivot line, and from here it went on up to make the day's high at 18,417. After going up till here, it started to fall down. Okay, after it started to fall down, and then it touched to 18,462, and after approximately 3 p.m. the market started to fall randomly. There was no reason it to fall. It was clearly sustaining over the market, but we saw a huge selling has come over here, and then the market has fallen back to 18,357, and we can clearly see that, and that has happened in like, let's calculate, 3 6 9 15 sorry 12 15 and 18. So it took only 18 minutes to fall approximately 100 points, and then the market has closed at 18,357. all right, now let's get to the Bank Nifty November future. The Bank Nifty previous close is at 42,579, while the open is at 42,472. The low is at 42,410. High is created at 42,660. Okay, so Bank Nifty, even if we come over here on the 3 minutes time frame, the market has opened at approximately this candle, which is 473. Even if we see it over here, we can see that, and the market went a little bit down to make the day's low, and then quickly bounced back to 500. Okay, it was at 471, and then it bounced back till 37, and after here it went to till 42,598 and then dropped back to 42,476 and then kept on moving on a step by step right up until at approximately 3 o'clock 251 it made a high of days high. Now the week's high, days high, it made at 42,660 and approximately even in like 18 minutes the market started to fall and then up approximately by at the market closing, which was 327, it touched the bottom which was 42,886 and the market has managed to close at 42,500 and we can expect a good downfall for the tomorrow. If I switch it to the 5-minute time frame, we can see that the tomorrow's target, the first target would be 42,335 while the second target would be 42,061. That's what I am expecting to the downside. I'm just waiting for it to fall, or maybe it may even take a strong support and then the market may go up until 42,700 till 43,000 we can expect, but I don't see any reason for it to go down or go up. The only reason, how much ever up it has to go, it had to go, it has gone and it has and it is over now. Okay, so even if I draw the trend line for you, say 1 top, 2 top, 1 top, 3 top, 4 top, 5 top, 5 bottom, 4 bottom. Okay, so 4 times it has tried to break the bottom, it has not. 5th time right now is going to break, definitely we see, and tomorrow we'll get to know whatever it is. Okay, but at the top it has tried to reach or break the resistance, it has failed. Support it has successfully broken and we can see tomorrow it will definitely be a gap down or not. All right, let's hope and see if things works out or not. By the way, this is only my perspective. If it works, it works for you. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work for you. It's none of my business, but I am definitely going to go short for tomorrow. All right, well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Peace out. Bye.